Hey guys, it's March 7th. Take a look at Clean Spark, how it traded on Friday on March 5th. So let's take a look into what happened. So, as the day opened, Clean Spark, like most stocks currently right now, tend to have a uptrend on the pre-market, and as soon as the market opens, then it tends to trade downward with the influence of the market. So we pretty much at the high of that day, which is where it pretty much opened at 2404, it dropped down to 1791, and it rode this Gann line during that time. So let's actually take a look at that. Those were formed days ago, so this was kind of expected. But it did a pretty good recovery throughout the day. There was a little bit of a resistance at $22 in that area. But as far as to go Monday, we're looking for it to continue riding this Gann line up with any luck on volume. And the first area of resistance will be around the 23.25 price point, and the next one at 24.50. So we're looking to get some volume, move back up, and then hopefully make it up to 24.50 before maybe getting some rejection. As far as the MACD goes, we are starting to curve up on the 5 minute, but let's take a look at it on the 1 hour. So we are curved up quite a bit on the 1 hour. We are still below the baseline, so we will receive some up and downs here, but we're hoping to consolidate between those two price points I was talking about, around $22 and $24.50. So we may go up there and just bounce around for a little while before hopefully making an uptrend, considering the market influence. As far as RSI goes, we're pretty healthy on a 1 hour, and on a daily, we're pretty low on the RSI. We're at a 40, and we're close to the baseline on the daily time frame. So hopefully the market influence, like I said, is just it's subsiding, and instead of being bearish, starting to turn into back to the bullish pattern. I'm looking for with some other stocks and this one to be this week. Hopefully we'll start to see that gain up, the uptrend. So again, no really new news. It's just the current items. Where Clean Spark has been trading pretty well. The volume is increasing, so we're hopefully with that we'll start to see the uptrend go, and with the market subsiding. Just a recap from the last couple of days. Clean Spark has acquired additional machines for their ATL center, so they are expanding. So my overall sentiment for this company for the weeks to months to come for this fiscal year is going to be a bullish one for them. Considering the past fireside chats with CEO indicated that their EBITDA data is going to be pretty much on the profitable side, even with this quarter currently. So that's a good thing. And then, with the increase in the Bitcoin mining, with the activity there, with a lot of organizations now starting to look at it, especially with Tesla's large 1.5 billion stake in it. Bitcoin mining is getting hot again. So let's actually take a look at Bitcoin's current price. The reason why this is important, so we've raised back up to 50, and I think as high as went up to as about 57.5, close to it. The reason why this is important is because you know, CleanSpark does mine Bitcoin, and they are selling some of their Bitcoin to take advantage of this price point for the Bitcoin price. So that's smart on them. So it does lock in their profits. So that will reflect nicely on their balance sheet. This is kind of the cleaned up view of a daily in trading view for CleanSpark. So there's quite a bit of a bottoming tail here. So that does indicate more of a bullish trend. So hopefully we'll start to see this and then start to move back up and get back up into the the upper 30s from here. But we'll definitely experience a lot of chop in between. How long that will take, it's unknown. The market is it is a little fickle right now, but hopefully the worst is behind us for now. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. No more new news. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully, pre-market will get some volume and start moving back up. Other than that, guys, we'll talk to you tomorrow, and happy trading.